In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Airtable on website. By the end, you'll have a clean live view of your Airtable data ready to use on a web page without writing any code. Start inside your Airtable workspace and open the exact base and view you want to display. It could be a grid, gallery, Kanban, or calendar, whatever best fits your content. Before you share anything, take a moment to tidy up the view. Hide any fields you don't want public, apply filters to limit what shows, and set your sort order so the most important items appear first. Remember, what you see in this view is what your visitors will see, so a quick cleanup now saves you from surprises later. Next, look to the top right area of the Airtable interface and click Share and Sync. This is where all the sharing options live. You don't need to change anything else here. We're focusing on the embed. The goal is to generate a publicly viewable version of your current view that stays synced with your base. From the Share panel, choose Embed this view. This opens Airtable's Embed preview and settings. Give it a second. Airtable loads a live preview so you can see exactly how the table will appear on a site. While you're here, review the available display options. You can typically toggle whether to show the view controls so visitors can filter and sort, or keep the interface minimal for a read-only experience. If your view has wide fields, consider adjusting the layout so columns are easy to read without excessive horizontal scrolling. Keep the experience simple and scannable. That usually works best on websites. Now, wait for the embed view to finish loading. Larger bases can take a moment, especially if you've got many records or attachments. Use this preview to sanity check your content. Scroll, click a few rows, and confirm the filters and hidden fields are behaving the way you expect. If something looks off, go back to the view, make adjustments, and then refresh the embed preview. Once everything looks right, you're done. The embed view is ready. Airtable provides a shareable link and an embed snippet you can use with most site builders and CMS tools. Keep in mind that embedding makes this view publicly accessible, so only include information intended for public display. If your needs change, you can return to Share and Sync to adjust visibility or disable sharing. That's all there is to it, a polished, up-to-date Airtable view ready for your website.